These are the top 10 high-profit cut flowers I'd grow if I were starting a flower farm today. They're reliable, productive, and consistently in demand. The perfect mix for strong market sales. Let's start with the top 5 annual money makers. Number 1. Zinnias. A true cut and come again powerhouse that blooms non-stop in every shade from bright tones to soft pastels. Benary's Giant and the Queen series are top performers for both yield and color. Number 2. Lisianthus, a premium market favorite with rose-like blooms and exceptional vase life. Number 3. Celosia, heat-loving, drought-tolerant, and incredibly profitable. Number 4. Cosmos, fast, abundant bloomers in soft pinks, whites, and deep plum tones. Double Click and Cupcake Mix are especially popular for their airy, romantic look. Number 5. Gomphrena. Now let's move into the early season profit boosters. Number 6. Ranunculus, an essential early season crop with high demand and excellent revenue. Number 7. Tulips, a spring market magnet that sells out quickly. Number 8. Dahlias, the anchor crop of summer, offering premium stems, endless colors, and consistently strong market demand. Number 9. Peonies, a perennial investment that delivers big returns year after year. And number 10. Snapdragons, an early season workhorse with strong stems, vibrant colors, and dependable sales from spring through early summer. You'll find more details in the description. For even more cut flower ideas, visit thegardenstyle.com.